Hello students, pronunciation is the heart and soul of a language. इंग्लिश बोलने का शौक होना बहुत अच्छी बात है, लेकिन एक चीज़ का ध्यान रखें, जब हम इंग्लिश बोलें तो परफेक्ट बोलें, हिंदी बोलें तो भी परफेक्ट बोलें, परफेक्ट नहीं बोलें, परफेक्ट बोलें, लेकिन हम हिंदी और इंग्लिश को मिलाकर हिंग्लिश कभी ना बोलें. Okay, so today I'm going to tell you the correct pronunciation, not pronunciation, the correct pronunciation of some of the mispronounced words. Okay, first let us talk about something which we have been reciting since our childhood, but still we don't pronounce it correctly. What is it? P-O-E-M. Poem? How do we pronounce it? Poem? No, it's the incorrect pronunciation. The correct pronunciation of a P-O-E-M is neither poem nor poem. It is poem. The correct pronunciation of P-O-E-M is poem. It's poem. Okay, now some people say that this thing is loved by everybody, but I don't like it at all. What is it? Okay, P-H-O-T-O, photo, G-R-A-P-H-Y, graphy. Now, when we combine it, does it become photography? No, it is not photography. The correct pronunciation is photography. We do not call it photography. It's photography. Right now, the thing that is going on is videography, but the P-H-O-T-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y is photography. Okay, now to accommodate so many things in just one sentence, there is an abbreviation that we use, ETC, which basically is ETCETERA. The correct pronunciation of this word is etc. It is etc., not etc. It doesn't have k in it. It has t. So it is etc. Now, in summers, what do we like to eat? Watermelon, muskmelon. Okay, there is one more thing that we all love to eat. That is CUCUMBER. The correct pronunciation of CUCUMBER is cucumber or cucumber. No, it is neither cucumber nor cucumber. It is cucumber. The correct pronunciation of this word is cucumber. Okay, what comes after Tuesday and before Thursday? Wednesday? No, the D in Wednesday is silent. The correct pronunciation of WEDNESDAY is Wednesday, not Wednesday. Okay, now I'm going to spell out a word for you and then we'll find out the correct pronunciation of that word. Okay, RECEIPT. What is the correct pronunciation of this word? Receipt? No. The P in this word is silent. The correct pronunciation of RECEIPT is receipt, not receipt. It is receipt. Okay, now the last word of the day, COMMENT. The correct pronunciation of this word is comment, not comment. Whether we use it as a noun or we use it as a verb, the correct pronunciation of this word is comment, not comment. It has to be comment. Okay, I suppose this is enough for today. I'll be bringing you some more words with their correct pronunciation in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at your homes, Take care. Bye bye.